This is the most detailed semi-truck principles explainer on the internet. From the engine to the clutch, the transmission, the drive shaft, the differential, and finally the air brakes. We'll also cover the suspension system, all explained crystal clear. Let's start with the semi-truck's engine. A semi-truck engine is typically an inline six-cylinder diesel engine. It can usually produce 400 to 600 horsepower. When the engine starts up, the intake valve opens first. Fresh air from outside flows in through the intake valve and enters the engine. The air pushes the piston down, and then the intake valve closes. The piston then moves upward, continuously compressing the air. When the piston reaches top dead center, the injector sprays atomized diesel into the cylinder. Because the compressed air's temperature now exceeds diesel's auto-ignition point, the diesel mixes with the air and immediately combusts. The expanding gases from combustion rapidly push the piston back down. When the piston reaches bottom dead center, the exhaust valve opens. The piston moves upward again, pushing out the burned exhaust gases. Each piston keeps cycling like this, which drives the crankshaft to keep rotating. This in turn spins the flywheel attached to the crankshaft. The flywheel then connects to the truck's clutch. The clutch then connects to the truck's transmission. So why do we need a clutch between the engine and transmission? Let's figure that out next. This is the clutch disc. The outer edge of the clutch disc has a ring of high-friction composite material. In the center is a spline that connects to the transmission's input shaft. It can also slide left and right within a small range. At the same time, the clutch disc and transmission can rotate together. The other side of the clutch disc makes contact with the flywheel. When you press the clutch pedal, the clutch disc separates from the engine flywheel. This disconnects engine power without stalling the engine, so you can shift gears. When you release the clutch, the disc presses tightly back against the flywheel. This makes the transmission spin along with the engine. Now here's a question. How exactly is the clutch disc pressed against the flywheel? That's where the pressure plate comes in. The outside of the pressure plate connects to the clutch housing.